Hey, this is Apurva. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of these wire coil earrings. They're super easy and a lot of fun to make. I know everyone is under self-isolation these days, so I thought it's the best time to learn a new craft and brush up on your creative side. So let's get started. Hi. So for the earrings, you're going to need a couple of tools. So this is a round nose plier. Okay, this is a nose of a plier, and since it is round, it is called as a round nose plier. Then you'll require a cutter and a jewelry plier, or a chain nose plier, or a flat nose plier will also do. And you'll need two sets of about 10 centimeters of wire. So this really depends on how long you want your coil to be. And you'll require a couple of more wires. So this is again depends on the size of your bead. So when you're deciding the size, so make sure you first put your bead inside like this and see there's like some space on either sides, and then cut. Okay, and two 5 centimeter wires, these are we going to be using to make the earring hooks. Okay, so let's get started. So take one of your 10 centimeter wires, hold it at the tip and make a loop like this. Alright, now take your jewelry plier or chain nose plier or a flat nose plier, whatever you have, and start coiling it up. Now you're going to do this until you reach your desired size. Even if you have cut 10 centimeter wires and then midway you feel that this coil is becoming too big for the bead, then you can just stop and cut off the excess. So I like to compare the coil with the bead while I'm making my jewelry, so that it gives me a sense of how it will look like once it's assembled. It's really up to you how you want to go about it. So now I'm making the other one as well. Now I'm going to compare these two coils. Yes, they are the same. Now I'll make a loop. Now what you're gonna do is take this pair of wire, make a half loop, don't close it all the way in, and put this inside and close it up. Do it on the other one as well. Now put your bead inside. Leave about 2 centimeters or 1.5 centimeter of room and just cut off the excess. So now again, this depends on how big of a loop you want to make. Now take these 5 centimeter wires, hold it approximately in the center. If you want, you can mark it in the center at 2.5 centimeters and then bend it as well, but I like to just eyeball it and do it accordingly. And just press it down like this. Alright, and then you take one end of the wire and make a loop. And you do the same with the other one. So now we'll just open this up and put it in. Yay! So it's done. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love to see the pictures of the earrings that you make. Do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, bye.